bola, gumaging
hitting
jersey.
the toilet head on.
Prison.
Hang in there, Titan Drill Man. I'm coming. I ran into the facility, ready to take on whatever lied ahead. On days 11 through 14, I arrived inside of the prison to find the Titan Drill Man trapped in a cage made of bedrock.
Ate ako.
The Titan used his massive drill to try and dig his way to freedom, but no matter how hard he tried, the bedrock wouldn't budge. Don't worry, I'll save you. I powered on my computer into the Skibbity's security system. I was able to open the door, freeing the Titan Drill Man from his cage.
Thanks for the help. Don't get too excited.
Just then, a glitch scientist Skibity toilet entered the room and zapped the Titan Drill Man.
That I made you into my pawn.
The Titan Drill Man turned his attention towards me, and I could tell right away he wasn't acting himself. Something was wrong.
Destroy the computer man.
Without warning, the Titan struck at me with his massive drills. On days 15 through 17, I was under attack by the hacked Titan Drill Man. The Titan used his drill attack at me, and I did my best to evade it. When I had an opening, I got back my firewall attack, but his armor was able to withstand it, and he walked right through it. Snap out of it! I'm on your side!
Destroy.
He slammed into me with his face drill, dealing a ton of damage. My pleas weren't working. Time for
Bili ka
plan
ng
B.
ano.
I locked onto the drill man.
Hindi ka talaga kasi mauubos ko
Powers to
ano.
free him, but even that didn't
Isang
work.
linggo lang
That
yan.
little trick won't work. Not while I
Kaya
have
dalawa
control of
yan.
him.
Then I'll just have to get you instead. Or the Titan Drill Man back into the cage, using my computer man mouse, I reactivated the door to keep him at bay. I then turned my focus towards the scientist to stop his mind control on the Titan. The glitch scientist Skibity ran away, and I chased after him. On days 18 through 21, I was chasing after the glitch scientist Skibity. He was quick, but I had a trick up my sleeve. Stop right there! I unleashed my firewall attack, stopping him in his tracks.
It's a fight you want. There to fight you get.
The glitch scientist Skibity locked onto me with his glitch laser attack, but I was able to dodge it and hit him back with a hack projectile of my own. Give up! You're not gonna win!
Oh yeah? Come, Titan Drill Man.
I turned to find the Titan Drill Man charging towards me. He had been released from his prison. Without much time left,
Ganyan ka,
I took my
napakadamot
chance
mo,
to
parang
trip
pera
out
ko
the
naman.
glitch scientist. While he was trapped,
Bakit? Anong
I
sabi
went
ni
in
Gia?
and saved him.
Libre kita.
Just in the nick